This is going to be the elevator at the Palm Bay Resort in Daytona Beach, Florida. Looked like it was going to be something interesting on the outside. You know what, I'll just take it up. I was fooled. Well, I mean, yeah, I thought we were gonna have something cool. These look like C.J. Anderson. But, I guess while I'm out up here, I guess what we can do, even though this was kind of a disappointment here, as you can see, here's a view of Daytona Beach. You can see all the waves. Very nice. Is this? Oh, that's an exit. Alright, we'll go down. Left. Here we go. Kone sensors. Older Universal, it looks like. Well, not. No, this is clicky. Here's a view of the cab. Very basic and disappointing elevator. General elevator. And we're gonna get out here. There's your call station. That's a cool call station. Well, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.